Statistic. Most newbies lose money chasing shiny tools. If you're tired of buying tools that promise the world and deliver nothing, you're losing time, cash, and momentum. Today, I'm testing a product that says it fixes that. No fluff. Real talk. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I've spent 6 years doing affiliate marketing and SEO. I cut through hype. I test tools so you don't waste money. I've seen hundreds of launches. Some are junk. A few actually help. This one, I'll tell you exactly what works and what's smoke. Before we dive in, I've got exclusive bonuses if you buy through my link. Check the description. Big value, don't miss it. So, what is $500 email? Payday. $500 email Payday claims to be a done-for-you email system that pays you commissions every time you send a pre-written email. They sell a core app plus upgrades. They promise copy, paste, send, get paid. Sounds tempting, but here's the honest part. No tool replaces good marketing. You still need to follow the system. This product is aimed at beginners who want fast affiliate income without building funnels or creating content. Core promise, send pre-written emails, access built-in offers, get affiliate commissions. If the system works as they claim, it's a shortcut. If it doesn't, it's another shiny thing. Here's what I liked after testing and reading the funnel. Done-for-you emails ready to send. Fast start, built-in autoresponder, no external monthly tool needed. Integrated affiliate campaigns across common networks. Mobile friendly. You can work from a phone. One-time low front-end price during launch. These are real-time savers. They're powerful for beginners who hate setup work. Getting started takes under 5 minutes. Step 1, create an account. Click the button, secure your copy. Step 2, choose a done-for-you email campaign, copy the pre-written email, and upload it to the included autoresponder. Step 3, send the email to the built-in list or your audience and track commissions. That's it. No funnel building, no product creation, no tech nightmare. Speed, you can launch a campaign in minutes. Simplicity, no coding, no complex setups. Mobile ready, send campaigns on the go. Cost efficiency, one-time front-end price beats monthly tools if the included traffic works. Front-end, early bird, $17, price rises every hour during launch. Important, this is the entry ticket. Think of it as the starter pack. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Stop whatever you're doing right now, because you're about to see how regular people with no experience, no product, and no audience are stacking $500 payments over and over again just by sending simple little emails from their phone. This isn't some recycled side hustle from TikTok. It's something way sneakier, so brain-dead simple, it honestly feels illegal. We call it the $500 email payday. Because every time we hit send on one of these done-for-you emails, money shows up. Sometimes $123, sometimes $297. Some days, I wake up to over $7,500 sitting in my PayPal just from one email I sent the night before. That's how I became a millionaire, not by trading crypto, not by making YouTube videos, and definitely not by dancing on TikTok. I don't create anything, I don't ship anything, and I don't even write the emails myself. I just copy, paste, send, and get paid. It all works thanks to a weird little loophole inside the $7.5 billion affiliate marketing industry. A loophole that pays me, and now, thousands of my students an average of $500 per email, and it only takes a couple minutes a day. If you can tap your phone and hit send, you can do this. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. This is how people with no job, no skills, and no clue are suddenly pocketing $500, $1,000, even $2,000 days. No ads, no clients, no pitching. Just done-for-you emails, a tap of the finger, and instant income notifications. It's so simple it makes normal jobs look like a scam. If you're tired of waiting for your big break, this is it. You see, it all started when I was struggling at the beginning of my life. I wasn't born with a golden spoon in my mouth, so I did what I do best. I turned to the internet for a solution. I start buying product after product in the hopes of finally getting a breakthrough. I fell victim to the fake gurus of the internet who sold me BS and was happy to take the little money I had, which left me with $10,000 debt and $0 coming in. Talk about rock bottom. It wasn't until one night I had my eyes glued to my laptop screen and my heart started racing from the 6 cups of coffee I chugged, when suddenly I had an epiphany. I realized all I need is a very simple system, and it must be very simple to use. Overcomplicating never works. Something I love doing that requires little to no work, and a system that doesn't require any upfront cost. I finally had a clear idea of what I wanted. I immediately stopped buying BS products and started working on my own system. Fast forward 12 months and I finally have a working system. I'm happy to introduce to you $500 Email Payday, the world's first system that pays me to send done-for-you emails. Now I know it sounds strange, but just look at the payments I get on a daily basis for simply sending emails that have been written by other people. There is no limit to how much money I can make on a daily basis. I can send as little or as many emails as I wish while I'm going on with my life. Payments quickly add up to thousands of dollars every day. And here's the best part, you don't have to do anything special. You don't have to be a celebrity. You don't have to have a huge email list. You don't need to buy traffic or pay for solo ads. With this system, you just switch it on. Activate the built-in lead system, select a done-for-you email, and the magic happens. Exciting, huh? Well, it's all possible by leveraging the enormous $7.5 billion affiliate marketing industry. It's a huge and profitable industry, and all it takes is just 3 steps. Step 1. Create your account. Simply click on any of the buttons on this page and get instant access to $500 Email Payday. Step 2. Select a done-for-you email and hit the send button. Step 3. We get paid. That's it, we get paid for every email we send. But wait, are you wondering, do I need to build a list? Do I need to write emails? Well, forget about all of that, because on this page we've got you covered.
Big thanks to Glyn. Email Payday system is unbelievable. I made $2,000 this week just tapping out simple emails on my phone. Couldn't be easier.
Thank you, Glenn. Email Payday system has me making $500 a day just sending copy and paste emails from my phone. 1 click and it's done.
Glenn, thank you so much. Email Payday system already paid me $1,200 today. Just copy, paste, click send from my phone. If I can do it, anyone can.
Thanks to Glenn's Email Payday system, I'm making $800 a day just sending simple emails from my phone while out here in the park.
So easy.
$500 Email Payday is about taking the best business model on the planet and making it brain-dead simple for anyone to do it, which means we will build an email list for you in any niche that you want. We will give you the emails to send, and we will provide you with our autoresponder with no monthly fees. Yes, you get the list, the emails, and the autoresponder. What else do you need to replicate what we are doing online? Absolutely nothing. Let me make one thing clear. This isn't about figuring things out. This is 99% done for you. We give you the autoresponder, set up and ready to go with no monthly fees. We give you the email list, full of real leads who are ready to buy. We give you the email swipes, proven to convert, written for you. We give you the affiliate offers, the exact same ones that are banking me and my students thousands daily. All you do is log in, choose an email, push send, and get paid. You're not building a business from scratch. You're plugging into a system that's already working. A system built by someone who's made millions doing exactly this, and now it's your turn. Everything's done. Everything's tested. Everything's proven. All that's left is you to switch it on. You're getting everything you need to have success with this business model. This is not a course. This is not training. This is a plug-in profit machine that's already working for total beginners. The second you activate your account, you're not learning how to make money, you're already doing it. That's why people are calling this the most unfair shortcut ever dropped online, because it cuts out everything and just gives you the cash part. Get your email list, copy and paste some emails, and press the send button. This is the same business model that gave me my multi-million-dollar dream home in London, my vacation homes in Dubai and Miami, the Lamborghini sitting in the parking lot, and most importantly, my freedom. If you think this works only for me, you're wrong. It works for anyone. I shared this exact system with hundreds of people, and all of them are making money. Just take a look at a few of our members' earnings on the page below. In fact, we have people from all over the world, including regular people like you from countries like the USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, France, India, Brazil, and many more. All of our results are possible by using the power of the $500 email payday system. Oh, and did I mention that you can use it from anywhere in the world and on any device? It works on your laptop or mobile phone. All you need is just an internet connection and you are good to go. So my friend, are you ready to join over 400 plus profitable members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting a plethora of $500 payments is included in our system. Nothing else is required. Almost every millionaire marketer today that you see online is generating the lion's share of their profits from sending emails. Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Ryan Dez, Neil Patel, Frank Kern, Tim Ferriss, Robert Kiyosaki, Bob Proctor, all of them make money sending emails. And the biggest brands online are also cashing in from sending emails like Nike, Amazon, Airbnb, Netflix, and Coca-Cola. 20 years ago, email was king. 10 years ago, email was king. Today, email is still king. And 10 years from now, email will still be king. Don't leave money on the table. It's your turn to take your share of the profits. Yes, we're going to let you piggyback on our multi-million-dollar email business. You don't have to reinvent the wheel here. We are going to give you the list. We'll give you the emails, and we'll give you the autoresponder. All you have to do is push the send button. Can you do that? Would you push the send button to make $500 over and over again? I know I would, and I do it. I trade a few minutes to make thousands, and it's changed my life. You're probably thinking at this point, this incredible new system is going to be expensive, right? Wrong. You see, when I first started, I was in a really bad place. I had mountains of debt and barely any money coming in, and it killed me to see that everything that could help me was very expensive. I couldn't afford it, although I needed it the most. It felt like the system is designed to make the rich richer. Nothing makes me more angry than that. And although it took me 12 months and tens of thousands of dollars to develop the $500 email payday system, I'm willing to slash the price down for you just to give the chance to anyone who seriously needs it to get it. You see, originally I charged $297 a month for $500 email payday, but I won't charge you anywhere near that. Look, I'm 100% sure you've been burned before, and I know you work hard every day just so you can survive. So for a limited time only, you will only pay a small one-time price. That's the same price as a couple of Starbucks coffees. That way, I can make sure that people who really need this kind of system can get it. There's a catch though. While this system is impossible to saturate, our system can only handle so many customers at once. We want to give our members the best care we could and help each one of them to succeed, so we can't accept more customers than we can handle. That's why we'll be closing this system once we reach that point. After that, you can't access it anymore. Oh, and I almost forgot. You are protected by our 180-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like $500 email payday, just send us a message and you'll get every penny back. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of $500 email payday at a low one-time fee. I'll see you on the inside.
Upsells and OTOs. Here's the funnel in plain terms. OTO 1, unlimited, $67, early price $47, removes limits, good for heavy users. OTO 2, 100% done for you, $97, early $67, they do the heavy lifting for you. Good if you hate setup. OTO 3, unlimited traffic, $97, early $67, promises extra buyer traffic. This is a conversion booster if real. OTO 4, automation, $67 and dollars, adds workflow automation, great to scale. OTO 5, ATM edition, $67, $37, extra features marketed as profit boosters. OTO 6, license rights, $197, early $97, resell rights, and commercial license. My quick take, the core $17 product is low risk. The OTOs can be helpful, but only buy if you need the specific feature. Don't get sucked into stack everything FOMO. Compared to monthly tools, many autoresponders and traffic tools cost $20 to $100 per month. If the included features and traffic work, this can save you hundreds, but that depends on the traffic quality and delivery. Not every unlimited traffic claim is real. Now the drawbacks, frank and simple. Big claims, get paid $500 per email is unrealistic for most. That language is hype. Results vary. Urgency tactics, hourly price hikes, and countdowns are classic launch psychology. They push impulse buys. Traffic claims need verification. Unlimited buyer traffic often requires caveats. Check the source, heavy upsell funnel. The checkout may try to push many add-ons. Be selective. This product is best for beginners who want a simple start and hate technical setup, marketers who want pre-written campaigns to test, people who prefer one-time buys over monthly subscriptions. Not for experienced marketers who already have reliable traffic sources. Anyone expecting guaranteed instant $500 per email. That's unrealistic. If you're serious and have the budget, OTO3, unlimited traffic, and OTO2, 100% done for you, are the most useful. Traffic plus done for you setup equals highest chance to see real results fast, but only pull the trigger if you verify traffic quality. Is $500 email payday worth it? Yes, with a big asterisk. The core system is a fast, beginner-friendly way to start email affiliate campaigns. It's a practical shortcut, but don't expect magic. Treat this as a tool, not a guarantee. If you want speed, low tech, and a tested set of email swipes, it's worth trying at the early bird $17 price. If you buy, be strategic about OTOs, invest in traffic and coaching, not impulse upsells. Link is in the description. Grab the early bird price before the hourly increase. Use my bonuses in the description. They add real value and cut your learning curve. Remember, you don't have to keep renting software and paying monthly fees. Buy smart. Own what helps you grow. Use systems that work, not systems that promise overnight riches. Got questions? Drop them below and I'll answer. Like if this helped. Subscribe for honest, tested reviews that save you time and make you money. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. Keep testing, keep winning. Links in the description. Go check it out.